The world of content creation is changing faster than ever. What used to take hours of editing, expensive equipment, and complicated software can now be done in minutes with artificial intelligence. One of the biggest trends right now is faceless YouTube videos. These are videos that do not require you to show your face, record your voice, or even appear on camera. Instead, the content is created using AI tools that can generate scripts, visuals, and even voiceovers automatically. And here is the exciting part: you can now create a complete faceless YouTube video in just 5 minutes with one simple prompt for free, even if you are a complete beginner. Faceless YouTube videos have exploded in popularity because they remove the biggest barriers that hold people back from starting a channel. Many people are shy about being on camera. Others do not want to invest in microphones, lights, and editing software. Some creators simply do not have the time to record themselves. With faceless videos, all of those problems disappear. You can still share valuable content, grow a channel, and even make money without ever showing your face. That is why this method is so powerful. The key to creating a faceless YouTube video in 5 minutes is understanding the role of AI prompts. A prompt is simply a piece of text that you type into an AI tool to tell it what you want. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, scripting, recording, and editing, you can give one carefully written prompt to AI and let it handle the rest. The AI can generate a script, a voiceover, and even visuals that fit your topic. When combined, these elements become a complete video ready to upload. Let us start by looking at the process step by step. The first step is choosing your video topic. This is where most creators get stuck because they overthink it. But the beauty of AI is that it can help with this too. You can simply type into ChatGPT something like, "Give me 10 trending YouTube video ideas for faceless channels in the finance niche," and it will generate a list for you instantly. You then pick one idea that you feel comfortable with, and that becomes the foundation for your video. The second step is writing your script with one prompt. Instead of sitting down and spending hours writing, you simply type into ChatGPT a command like, "Write me a YouTube script about 7 passive income ideas that anyone can start in 1,500 words, engaging, easy to understand, and beginner-friendly." In a matter of seconds, you will have a full script that is ready to be used. The important part here is being specific with your prompt. The clearer your instructions are, the better your result will be. The third step is turning that script into a voiceover. This is where AI text-to-speech tools come in. You no longer need to record your voice if you do not want to. There are free AI voice generators online that can read your script out loud in a natural, human-like voice. You simply paste your script into the tool, choose a voice, and export the audio file. Within minutes, you have a professional sounding voiceover without ever touching a microphone. Halfway through, let me ask you something interesting. How many people do you think have given up on their dream of starting a YouTube channel just because they did not want to show their face? Probably millions. And yet here we are, living in a time when you can skip that entire step and still build a channel that reaches thousands or even millions of people. That is why faceless YouTube videos are not just a shortcut, they are a revolution in accessibility. The fourth step is creating visuals for your video. You can do this for free with stock footage libraries or with AI video tools. Some AI platforms allow you to type a description of what you want, and they will generate clips for you. For example, if your script mentions a person working from home on a laptop, you can type that in, and the AI will give you a video clip. You then repeat the process for each section of your script until you have enough visuals to cover the full voiceover. If you prefer something simpler, you can even use free stock footage websites like Pexels or Pixabay. The fifth step is combining everything into a finished video. This is the editing stage, but it does not have to be complicated. Free editors like CapCut or Canva allow you to drag and drop your voiceover and visuals into a timeline. You simply line up the clips with the voiceover, add some text or background music if you want, and export the final video. The whole process takes minutes, not hours. And because the script, voiceover, and visuals are all generated by AI, you did not have to record anything yourself. Now here is where the magic happens. Once you have this workflow set up, you can create unlimited faceless videos on any topic as fast as you can type prompts. If you spend 1 hour using this system, you could produce multiple videos in a single sitting. Compare that to traditional content creation, where recording and editing one video might take days. This speed is what makes AI-powered faceless videos so powerful for beginners who want to start growing quickly. Let us talk about the benefits. First, faceless videos allow you to protect your privacy. You do not need to reveal your identity to the world, which is great if you want to keep your online life separate from your personal life. Second, they are easy to scale. Because the process is so fast, you can produce more content and upload consistently, which is one of the biggest keys to YouTube success. Third, they cost almost nothing. All the tools we have talked about so far have free versions that are more than enough for beginners. But what about making your videos engaging? After all, just because you can create a video quickly does not mean it will automatically capture attention. This is where prompts once again become your best friend. When asking ChatGPT to write your script, you can add instructions like make the script engaging, add rhetorical questions, and keep sentences short and clear. When generating your voiceover, choose a voice that matches your audience, whether it is professional, friendly, or fun. For visuals, use clips that match the emotion of the script. By tweaking your prompts slightly, you can create videos that feel professional and captivating without doing any of the hard work yourself. Another powerful trick is repurposing content. Once you have created a faceless video for YouTube, you can cut it into shorter clips for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. This allows you to reach multiple platforms with the same piece of content, multiplying your chances of going viral. And since you are not recording anything yourself, there is no extra effort involved. It is simply reusing what AI has already created for you. Imagine this scenario. You spend one weekend setting up your system, learning how to give good prompts, and experimenting with AI tools. By the end of that weekend, you could have a week's worth of YouTube videos ready to upload. You could even schedule them in advance and let your channel grow while you focus on other things. This is the type of efficiency that was impossible just a few years ago. Of course, there are some things to keep in mind. While AI makes everything faster, the human touch still matters. Do not just copy and paste what the AI gives you. Add your own style, your own twist, and your own perspective. That is what will make your channel stand out from the thousands of others using similar tools. Think of AI as your assistant, not your replacement. It is there to speed up the process, but your creativity is what makes the content unique. Looking to the future, faceless videos are only going to become more advanced. Soon, AI will not just generate stock clips, but entire custom animations based on your script. Voiceovers will become indistinguishable from human speech. Scripts will be fine-tuned to match your specific audience preferences. That means if you start learning this system now, you will be ahead of the curve when even more powerful tools become available. So let us sum it all up. To create a faceless YouTube video in 5 minutes with one prompt, you first choose a topic, then you use ChatGPT to generate a script. You turn that script into a voiceover with a free AI text-to-speech tool. You create visuals with AI video generators or free stock footage. Finally, you combine everything in a free editor like CapCut or Canva. That is it. One prompt can start the process, and in minutes you have a complete video ready to upload. This is not just beginner-friendly, it is also future-friendly. You do not need experience, and you do not need equipment, and you do not need money. All you need is a laptop, internet access, and a willingness to learn how to use prompts. The doors to content creation have never been more open, and there has never been a better time to start. If this feels exciting, that is because it truly is. What once was a dream for creators is now a reality for anyone. You can start your channel today, build it with faceless videos, and grow it faster than you ever thought possible. And the best part is, you can do it all without showing your face, without speaking a word, and without spending $1. If you enjoyed this guide, the next video will show you how to scale this method into a full-time income. Using the same AI tools we discussed today, you will not want to miss it. That's it for today, friends. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated. Don't forget to peek at the description below. I've added some links that I personally recommend and think you'll love. And I really want to hear from you, so leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.